Look at this beautiful thing. And they're all growing together in a group and shining in the sun. It looks like some sort of tall dandelion at the late stage with the white puffy puffballs. Look at them all. They're so pretty. And yeah, looking a little funky too. I'll put in the description what the possibilities are. I think it's maybe a dandelion, maybe it's a form of a thistle. I'm not sure. And there were quite a few that could be, so I'm going to have to do more research. But I wanted to capture this beauty down here, little guys. Aren't they sweet? Oh, white puffballs. And there's the dark forest behind them. Okay, step out in it, see what you see today. Bye now.